Ever dreamed of boosting your income quickly and safely? Whether you are looking to escape the 9-to-5 grind or just want to pad your savings, there are proven strategies to help you achieve your financial goals. Did you know that almost 70% of millionaires didn't inherit their wealth but built it through smart financial decisions? In this video, we are uncovering the secrets to making money fast without compromising on security. From launching your own business to exploring high-paying professions and smart stock market investments, we've got you covered. Ready to transform your financial future? Let's get started. Hello and welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to make money quickly in a safe way. We'll cover various methods including entrepreneurship, investments, cryptocurrency, high-income skills, content creation, and side hustles with passive income. So, let's dive right in. Ever thought about starting your own business or investing in a startup? Entrepreneurship can be a powerful way to make money quickly. Here's how you can get started. Find gaps in the market or problems that need solving. What issues do you see that aren't being addressed? Look around you. Is there something that people need but can't find? That's your opportunity. Outline your business goals, strategies, and financial projections. How will your business operate? Draft a clear plan that covers your vision, target market, and financial goals. Look for investors, apply for loans, or use your savings. Where will you get the money to start? Consider crowdfunding, angel investors, or small business loans. Research and invest in promising startups. How can you spot a startup with potential? Look for innovative ideas, a strong business plan, and a dedicated team. Are you curious about the stock market or real estate? Investing can grow your wealth quickly. Here are some tips. Learn about different stocks and investment strategies. What companies are worth investing in? Research companies with strong financials and growth potential. Start with well-known companies and diversify your portfolio. Invest in properties that can appreciate over time. Where are the best places to buy property? Look for locations with growing populations, good amenities, and a strong job market. Have you considered the potential of cryptocurrency? While risky, it can offer high returns. Here's what you need to know. Understand how cryptocurrencies work. What are Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies? They are digital currencies that use blockchain technology for secure transactions. Invest a small amount initially to minimize risk. How can you start investing safely? Use reputable exchanges and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Do you have skills that are in high demand? Developing high-income skills can lead to lucrative opportunities. Consider these. Skills like coding, cybersecurity, and data analysis. How can you learn these skills? Online courses and boot camps like Codecademy, Coursera, and Udacity can get you started. Pursuing careers as doctors, nurses, or specialists. What steps do you need to take? Enroll in medical school, nursing programs, or specialized training courses. Mastering skills in business management and operations. What qualifications are needed? Consider an MBA or related business degree. Skills in financial analysis and advisory services. How do you break into investment banking? Internships and finance degrees can be a good start. Ever thought about becoming a content creator? With platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and blogs, you can earn money through ad revenue, sponsorships, and more. Here's how. Find what you are passionate about. What topics do you love? Whether it's gaming, cooking, or travel, pick something you enjoy and can talk about endlessly. Post regular content to grow your audience. How often should you post? Aim for at least one high-quality post per week to keep your audience engaged. Looking for ways to make money on the side or passively? Side hustles and passive income streams can add to your earnings. Ideas include: offer services like writing, graphic design, or consulting. What skills can you offer? Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr can help you find clients. Create products or investments that earn money over time. How can you build passive income streams? Consider writing an ebook, creating an online course, or investing in dividend stocks. Making money quickly in a safe way is possible if you choose the right path and take calculated risks. Whether you decide to start your own business, invest in the stock market or real estate, explore cryptocurrency, develop high-income skills, create content, or find side hustles, the key is to stay informed and make smart choices. Got questions or doubts? Drop them in the comments and we'll address them instantly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on financial success. See you in the next video.